Hello, I am Sidra. Hope you are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will explain the anatomy and physiology of human heart. How human heart works. Here is the animation showing working of heart. Explain the structure of human heart. Human heart is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called right and left atrium. Pericardium is the sac which encloses the heart and it has fluid which protect the heart from injury. The lower 2 chambers are called right and left ventricle. Superior vena cava, tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve. Inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary valve, aortic valve. Here is interesting fact. Let us going to know that how human heart work is a double pump. Why oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix up in the heart. Here I discuss in detail about the functioning of human heart. First of all, superior and inferior vena cava receive deoxygenated blood from the body and blood reaches in right atrium. When right atrium is filled with blood it contracts and tricuspid valve is open. And right atrium pump blood in right ventricle. Now tricuspid valve is closed. Now when right ventricle is filled with deoxygenated blood it contracts and the pulmonary valve is open and all the blood is pumped from right ventricle to left and right pulmonary artery which connected with lungs. Deoxygenated blood is cleaned by lungs. In other words, deoxygenated blood is cleaned by lungs and is returned back to heart by pulmonary vein. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein. When right atrium is filled with blood it contracts and bicuspid valve is now open and blood from left atrium into left ventricle. Now the bicuspid valve is closed. Left ventricle pump oxygenated blood into aorta when aortic valve will open. From aorta oxygenated blood is pumped to all parts of the body. In the heart exceptional cases here is pulmonary artery which receives deoxygenated blood. And the pulmonary vein receive oxygenated blood. Human heart works as a double pump because at the same time heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and deoxygenated from the body. And because of the valve they open and close at the right time, so deoxygenated and oxygenated blood do not intermix. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this interesting session, like and subscribe my channel to get something informative.